today, Javon is going to be teaching us how to make chocolate milk is recorded.
Yep.
So, what do you need to make chocolate milk, Javon?
You see it.
Okay, I'll help you.
You say it.
Today, fix the camera, please. We are going to make
chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. They say chocolate milk.
No, the camera guy has to.
What did the camera say?
Don't touch it.
Why don't you have to look at it?
Is he recording?
Make chocolate milk. Get some water.
I'm still here, mates. Don't worry.
Disappointed. Disappointed.
And here you go.
So,
You got milk in there.
yeah.
And now. 1,
1,
2,
2, and she spilled it.
3,
3,
4.
4.
Just put in here. Alright.
You're supposed to put 3. Now mix it together. Mix, 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 mix.
And we're going to bring our special guest, Aaron Velasco, to drink this chocolate milk. Okay, fine, wait. Is it ready? Okay, ready? Wait, let me look at it. Wait. And our special guest, E5 Remalto, to drink the chocolate milk that I made with 5 spoons.
Horrible!
You're a bad actor. I bet you it's good. It looks good.
It looks
And we conclude.
good. Just kidding, it's good.
And now it's time for the cleanup crew. So now what you do? You put the lid back on here. Put the stupid. Okay. Time to clean up. No.
Chocolate, milk.
This back up there. And that's it. That's how you make chocolate milk. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Peace out.